Hi guys, welcome to Honest, Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Guys, today we're looking at B&O's Beoplay H9i's. Let's get into the pros. Still looks amazing and stylish, even though it's not changed it. The leathers, everything is really gorgeous. New proximity sensor, senses when to pause the music when you take them off. I really like that feature. I like the transparency mode as well, where you just flick up and it lets all the noise come in so you can hear what's going around. And that's one of the gestures that works for me all the time. The best feature on these headphones are the sound. It's got a rich depth to its bass, clean mids, and a crisp top end. It's also got an equalizer in the app, which I find useful. It can be used in passive mode, wide mode, where you could increase the battery life up to 25 hours. I liked it that it's got USB-C charging and connection. Let's get into the cons. No removable battery this time. Useless to answer calls on, even in a quiet room, no one can hear you. No support for aptX, aptX HD, or LDAC. Got noise cancelling, but it's not the best when it comes up against Sony or the Bose. It adds a hiss to it and also affects audio playback. Not as comfortable either as the Bose HP700NC. Still uses Bluetooth 4.2. Should have had Bluetooth 5 for the price. Battery life only gives you up to 18 hours. You have to pay extra for a hard case, comes with a soft velvet sack. Quite expensive. Identical to the older H9. Ear cup pads don't feel good. They feel a bit thin. Doesn't sit well on your head if you move around or lie down. It just keeps slipping off. Personally, I hate touch sensitive stuff on headphones. I don't like it. I love buttons because whenever I try and adjust the headphones because of sliding or whatever, I find that I've paused the music or done something to it. And also getting the volume up and down is quite frustrating with gestures for me. It didn't work. Customer service is friendly but slow to get anything done. Once I've sent something to them and it took about 5 months to get it repaired and got it back to me. Things like that you'll not see with big brands like Apple within a day turnaround if you go to Apple store, or mostly 2 weeks. 5 months is just unacceptable. Verdict. If you're looking for a stylish headphones to catch the eye and sounds great, then look no further. But if you're looking for comfort, good sound and noise cancelling, then these aren't it. If you decide to get them, keep your receipt with you and pray to God that you don't need to call them or get it sent for repair. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.